In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute iMessage conversations on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And as you may know, you can mute and unmute the exact conversations on your device, so let me show you how you can simply do that. And first, open up your Messages application, and now all you have to do to mute some specific conversation is swipe left on that conversation. It brings us that two options, mute and delete that conversation. Just hit there at bell icon, and now that conversation is muted. You can identify it by this mute icon here at conversation name, and you can mute as much conversations as you want. And in the same way you can unmute that conversations. Just make a swipe to the left and hit at bell icon to unmute that conversations. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.